What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. This is Paul Vargas and you are currently watching ZEBIANMNL, a leather crafting tutorial. So, bali ngayon, yung gagawin natin is a leather keychain. And we are trying to make something a little bit different. And we will be doing it in under 10 minutes. So, what we need are 30 by 2 centimeter leather, the dog hook, this is a tactical dog hook, the key ring, and yung remache natin. So, ito. So, to do that, to do our keychain, first, sa kabilang dulo, bilang ka ng at least 2 centimeters and butasan natin siya. Okay. And sa kabilang side, syempre, bubutasan din natin. So, 2 centimeters din para pantay lang. Para maging different yung ano natin and hindi masyadong plain, since this is tactical, gawin natin ng parang medyo tactical shape siya. So, para hindi siya straight edge. Okay. And then, kunin natin yung one punch natin, yung one prong. So, dun sa tinandaan natin kanina, nilagyan natin ng tanda, butasan natin. And sa kabilang side. Okay. And then, yung dito sa kabilang side, sa other side ng leather, measure ka ng 7 centimeters from the edge. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lagyan mo ng marker or marking. And doon natin siya ifo-fold yung kabilang dulo. So, after that, syempre, kailangan natin ng marking again. Syempre, gamit yung owl natin. Yun yung isa sa use ng owl. Ayan, butasan natin. Okay. And, gawin natin medyo maluwag. Pasok natin yung kabilang side, yung dulo na side ng remache, yung medyo mahaba. Get your other side. Ito, yung flat. Siyempre, kailangan mo rin paluwagan ng konti. And, lalagay na natin to. Yung may edge na part. Bale, lagay muna natin yung keyring. Yung dog hook muna. And yung keyring natin. And, lugan natin to ng konti. So, okay. And, lagay natin yung cap. Okay. After that, nilagay na natin siya. Secure natin. Kunin nyo yung snap base setter natin. And yung snap setter. Ganito yung itsura niya. And we're done. Wala pang 10 minutes. So, here's our tactical keychain. And simple lang. So, dahil, syempre, para magkaroon ng ZEBIANMNL flavor or style, I made another one kagabi and nilagyan ko ng tahe. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Alright, so here's our first one. Ito yung ginawa natin ngayon lang. And ito yung Zebian Manila style na keychain natin. I would like to thank Daniel Tinagan of Bakunawa Clothing Lifestyle. So, if you're here up to now, napapanood mo pa rin to, please do like and subscribe. And screenshot mo lang yung pag-like and subscribe mo. Send mo sa Facebook page namin, Zebian Manila. I will put the link down below. And before our next video, we will raffle it off and we will give this one away for free. Alright? Thank you. Bye.